Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your map to hybrid online or offline on the offline map navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on mode settings at the top, and after that you should select from these options. You can set it to hybrid, online or offline, so tap on the relevant one and then just simply tap on this arrow in the upper left corner of the screen so that the mode of your map will be updated automatically. Feel free to change it anytime, just simply come back to this section and tap on the relevant one again. So that's it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.